Hey there, hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I will try to show you how we can create interactive website like this one, which is a 3D website, and adding all those neighbor to hero section from this 3D model and everything we will create within 3 or 4 steps with the help of Claude and another component library. I will show you how we actually pick that up. So let's get back to our Claude first. Let's start with Claude, running Claude. Here it is. After running Claude, it will maybe ask some permission, right? Yeah, it's asking the permission. We're giving the permission here, and after that, first of all, we will ask set up Next.js app. So it will actually set up the Next.js project. So yep, after Next.js project, the main thing we will do for animation part, we will after this one done, yeah, it's done. After that, we will ask him to install the framer motion. Framer motion is actually for our animations part, right? Okay, we are asking him to actually install that framer motion. It will ask permission. Okay, that's fine. In the meantime, let me show you the component library we will work with, which is 21st.dev. Okay, I will share the link in my description. Here massive component is here. You can see, like, check it out. All of those components are here in component section. You can pick any of them. Like, you can pick the you can copy the code, you can even copy the prompt. So we will go with the prompt copy because we have to align our content with that same UI. Okay, so get back to our Claude. Let's see what happened. Now I will ask him to, like, add that first of all, we will ask, like, remove the whole default UI. Like, as you know, after install that Next.js, it's showing a default UI. So I will ask him to remove that default UI and add that background color as black, and then I will ask that use this prompt as our hero section. Okay, so yeah, copy this one, yep, paste it, and then it will work. It will add that same hero section in our UI, I guess. Let's check it out. It's done. Okay, now get back to our browser, run localhost 3000, I guess. Yep, in 3001. Okay, it's done, but it's actually showing a border, but it's done. The 3D animation part is showing fine, and that interactivity working fine. Yes, and everything fine, but we have to ask for alignments, right? So let's get back to our Claude. We will actually give him a prompt. Let's take a screenshot. We can actually upload that screenshot to Claude directly, pasting here the screenshot and then asking, hey, just asking about, like, for the alignment part, right? Okay, this is the look currently. After adding on hero section, actually I'm asking, like, a hero section, remove that white border. Yes, white border, then make it it will viewport height and white. Okay, it will take the whole viewport height and white with this prompt, I guess, and then add what we can add, like, let's suppose it will take the whole height and white. Okay, we already copied a neighbor, but we will not ask him right now. We will give only the prompt to, yes, alignment is perfect right now, but you see, like, the texts are too small according to our UI, right? But the robot, which is our model is fine, but the texts are small. So in that meantime, what I will ask to alignment properly with the font style, updating the font style with bold font, giving a prompt here that you have to just update that text with bold font style, large font family, like that. And also in the meantime, I have copied another neighbor component from our 21st.dev component library, then pasting it here to actually update the neighbor too in the meantime. So yep, text style font family, then make the white as, okay, I'm actually asking to previously we asked to full white, but instead of full white we will go with 90% viewport white. VW means viewport white, sorry. And section, then, and this neighbor, I will actually give him the neighbor prompt also. I copied that prompt from 21st.dev, the neighbor. I'm giving him that also. Now look at this, like, the text, amazing text, and the neighbor, you see, like, the interactivity of neighbor, it was amazing. So it's fine, right? Okay, the model also working fine. Let's pick another component here, this one. I love this one, so I just copy these prompts to add after our hero section. So giving him the prompt that you have to add that after our hero section. This section will be there with the content alignment, because that prompt doesn't have our content, right? So we have to ask that, hey, definitely you have to go with our content, whatever website we are building. Just take that interactivity, take that UI from that prompt, but you have to follow our content. So we are giving that prompt here. So pasting the prompt we copied, yeah, this one. Let's see how it works. Okay, in the meantime, checking my session. Okay, it's 7%, not 7%. Maybe it will take 15%. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, it's, oh no, it's not done yet. It's working. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we are done. Right, we are done. We are done. Let's check it out. Wow. Wow. See, seriously, man, it's amazing. Wow, that number is look looks good. Like every section is aligned with our main hero section. See the background black and the corner color. Wow, we just added a new section after the hero section. Yes, it's working fine. You just have to simply copy that prompt and use here that asking Claude that, hey, you have to add this section. Wow, it's fine, right? So far it takes just 30 minutes to done this one. So far it's nice, right? So I will share all those links related to this one. Also share a Notion link from where you can see how I have built all those prompts and everything. I will share. And yeah, that's all. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.